What happened? Just wait, huh? Okay, any issue in the chart? Are you able to see others' messages? Are you able to see others' messages? No, huh? Wait. Hello? Others chart enable చేయండి. Too much of heat, huh? It's morning 9 also. AC is working or only the vent is down only? Only vent is down. Okay, we'll see AC today. Just wait, huh? Okay, chart is enabled right now. Perfect. Okay. So guys, let's jump on to the topic Git issues. These issues not easy to understand. Carefully you can understand. Okay. Total 3 methods. Yeah, Hamza, why you are messaging me? Unable to join, huh? Let's check the Telegram. Oh, is it? You are unable to chat. Huh? Is it for everyone? Why with only Hamza? Now is okay? Oh, okay, perfect. If it is okay means today. Okay, see, I'm writing here 3 commands. One is git pull hyphen ff. Okay, and one is git pull hyphen. Let me check. No rebase. I'm going to share this document to you. Rebase. And one is git pull hyphen rebase. Let me explain this concept. Hyphen or single hyphen. This is little confusing for us. Okay. Git pull hyphen f only. Single. Okay. Okay. I'll share this document to you. Wait. And meanwhile, just focus. These 3 are very, very important. Okay. For understanding point of view. So guys, git pull hyphen fast forward, FF means only. How it will work? If there is no any commit divergences are there, then you are able to run git pull or not. You are able to run git pull if there is no any commit divergence. That is called fast forward without any issues. If commits are different, commits are different. If commits are different, you are unable to run git pull, right or not? You are unable to run git pull. There are some changes yet to update from your end. Your commit, remote commit, both are different. There are commit divergences. In this case, git pull is not work. When you run git pull also, it is take you to the merge page, right or not? When you do the merge, one more extra commit will be created. That is for history for extra commit. Clear? Okay. But when the fast forward will work, if there is no any commit differs or divergence, local and remote. So local and remote so able to run git pull local and remote at same commit means up to date. Clear or not? Yes. Because today class is very important. Everyone stuck here only. With my experience, I'm saying that if you focus, 30% git is done. So a lot of concepts are there. Git discards, last commit discards, specific commit delete, lot of concepts. This is first flow. Then we can go for individual staging, how to take file back, after commit the file, how to take it back, how to revert file from remote, local, staging, working directory, everything we'll discuss. First, let's understand the git process, how to pull, how to push, challenges this area. This is little important. Clear now? And lot of hidden concepts are there in git. I'm not saying 100% I'm going to cover, but these concepts are enough for till 7 to 8 years experience person. Even in regular practice, we are using 10 commands only. Mostly git status, git add, git commit, git pull, git push, git clone. That's it. Until get any challenges, these commands only. If you forget to run a git pull, then challenges will come. How to overcome challenges? Then these three issues we need to focus. Clear now? Yeah. So, okay, perfect. Now, git pull hyphen no rebase, git pull hyphen rebase. Git pull hyphen no rebase, which is equal to git merge only. Which is equal to git merge only. So, if commit divergence are there, local to remote, we have to execute this command. To merge missing commit into local. Okay. So which result, one extra commit will be added. In between your commit, your previous and recent. Okay, in between. But git pull hyphen rebase means same process, but it will adjust commits in linear way without adding extra commit. Only the difference. Git pull hyphen rebase, if you run, it won't create an extra commit like a git merge, but both are same. Okay. Yeah. These are the challenges how to rectify by using these three commands only in the Git. Let's discuss now. So developer, and GitHub. Okay. GitHub. Clear? So developer, two developers are working together with same repository inside GitHub account. Same repository. Okay. Same repository. Okay. First condition, the issues in the Git, challenges, the challenges. So challenge number one, if two developers working with same repository, same file. Okay. Challenge number one. If two developers working with same repository, otherwise different file. Let's see first this use case. Okay. Condition number one. Clear? Let's create a one repository. Observe carefully what I'm doing now. I'm creating a repository directly into the remote only. Repository name, same repo I'm giving. Okay. Creating a repository. Okay. You can create a file or not required, your wish. You can clone first and you can start the process in the same repository. Okay, let me uh, SSH. Let's open here. Okay, rm-rf ls. So I'm going to clone in this directory. Okay, git to clone. First time need to be clone, git clone, right? SSH keys and clone. But cloned what? Empty repository. Clone empty repository. ls cd same repo. You tell me one thing. Any commit information will be there or not in the local now? Hmm? Any, if I check git log, any commit information is there or not? No. Why? Huh? Empty repository. Nothing is there. Clear or not? Empty repository, nothing is there. Okay. Let's go to other end also. Let's log in. I'm creating one more developer. For that, I need one more laptop or one more server. So I'm creating a server. Amazon Linux, T2 Micro, Keeper, you can take anything, no problem. So existing group, 20 default. Okay, connected. Let's, okay. Now, git clone. So I can use HTTPS is not possible here. So have you tried HTTPS? Okay. SSH or token also I can use, right? Yeah. Let's check the token process. Token process. Okay. Let's follow the token process. My token is this one only, right? Yesterday generated. Okay. So let's generate first. Git clone. I'm giving HTTPS here. M install git -y. Sorry guys, I need to give HTTPS. SSH is not possible. Or I need to generate a keys and add, and I need to run this command. Okay, empty repository appeared. ls same repo. But if I want to push anything from here, token or SSH, right? Let's use the token. So carefully, my remote and both developers and no commits clear. Now start the process, create some issues and how to rectify and all we can discuss. Two developers are working parallelly. So in this case, I'm creating a two developers are working with same repository, different files. So file, I'm creating a file Linux. So Linux file is Linux developer is created. Wait. Okay. So git status next is what? Git add git commit -m. So Linux file first commit by Linux developer for understanding purpose only. Now if I check git log, how many commits I can see? One commit. Clear? One commit. Okay. Till here clear? Now if I try to push, git push, it will ask my username. Password. So authentication fail. Even though it is not taking if I give a credentials. So in this case, what we can give, what we can do? Token or SSH. So now if I check git remote -v, my origin is set to HTTPS protocol to push the code into remote, right? Now I want to be changed with key so that I'm able to push, right? So the command is what? Git remote set URL origin. This is my key. Oh, this is wrong key. Control C. Okay, here already there, right? Control V. So I can add. Okay. And next is what? This one. Repository name is what? Same repo. Okay. Let's run this. To set origin, my origin by default set to HTTPS without token. Why? I clone whatever process you clone, same process will set by default to push also. But same process unable to push, right? So I'm using token method. To use the token method, I'm going to set origin. You can run git push HTTPS token also, but every time I need to run that command. If I set next time onward git push means automatically token will work. That's what my thing. Now you can check git remote -v. See token set or not? No. Before and after the difference. Now simply you can run git push. Done. Clear now? Let's go to here. Now tell me how many commits I can see now here? One commit. Okay, I'm taking this commit now, copy. Yeah, clear? And Linux developer. Now the Windows developer and no commit. Now, if he is also working with the same repository, ls, see, my end nothing is there. But you clone the repository before, after that, someone already pushed the content into the remote repository. But what you need to do, if I need the same content, git pull. If you run a git pull, the content will update inside the your working directory plus commit information will update into local repository. Now, if I check git log, my nothing is there. When you clone at the time, nothing is in the remote, but now someone already pushed some content into the remote repository. If you want to add any content, first you should pull and then on top of that we can add. Always two developers up to date with the remote repository. If you create something now, you are not up to date with the remote repository. You are doing the changes with old repository, old changes. Old changes means you are not up to date means your changes are not acceptable. Clear or not? Yeah. So first, what developer has to do? Git pull. When I run a git pull, how it will work? When I run a git pull, how it will work first? Update the changes into working directory. So the file created by Linux developer, it will be updated into the working directory. And the file created commit also there, right? The commit information is updated into local repository. So you can go and check. You can go and check here. ls, if I give ls, Linux file is there here. But if I go to my Windows, nothing is there. So git log also clear. Okay, let me increase the font better. Okay. Now, if I run, automatically changes will update or not? Update. But after create a file, after commit the file, if you run git push, not work. Before pull, if you run push, not work. You are not up to date with the remote repository, it will be rejected. That's what first, if I run git pull, this is called fast forward method. When the fast forward will work without any issues, if you run a git pull before doing any changes, so automatically file will be updated. Commit also updated. Fast forward. Okay, when the fast forward will work, your end, remote end, in between, if there is no any commit divergences, only it will work. If you add any commit now before, here your commit also there right before. Your commit also there if you run git pull, this commit is not added directly. You need to be merged where the commit is missing. The same place it will be merged. Clear? This is called fast forward. When the fast forward will work, if there is no any commit differences are there, then automatically git pull will be updated directly without any issues. This is called what? Fast forward method. When I can go for merge and rebase, if you forget to run a git pull and on top of that, if you add any changes, if you are unable to push, commit is missing in your end, then at the time you can do merge or rebase. So the commit information will be updated in between where you miss. Clear git pull fast forward? Online team clear? Yeah. Okay. Next, create a issue. Two developers, two different files without pull. Developer 2 is able to push or not, we can see. As we already discussed, right? Same concept. Yeah. Now, very important, you need to be focused, guys. I'm creating a file Linux 2. Git add, git commit -m, Linux 2 file. Now, how many commits total? Huh? 2 commits. Very good. Very good. How many commits in remote? 1 or 2? Still 1. If you push, that will be 2. Even you can see your origin still at old commit only. When you push, this will, origin will move to here. How? This entire commit will push to remote. Understand what I'm trying to say? This entire commit will be pushed into remote, means origin will move here to here. Clear now? Okay. Git push. No need to give token again, right? Already set as a default. Done. Now git log local at which commit? Remote. Remote also same. This is second commit. Okay, I'll do one thing. Huh? Sorry. So developer 1 and clear now. So now 3 developer and say, developer 1, developer 2 remote in the same location. After the developer, second developer added one more commit, right? The commit is what? So how I'm doing the same process you need to do. Don't practice without drawing like this. I stuck here and say, don't say like that. Please practice like that only. This is what? Second commit. So when you push, this will update into, right or not? Now developer 2 remote both are at same commits or not? No challenges at developer 2 in GitHub. Okay. నిద్ర వస్తుందా? నిద్ర వస్తుందా? ఏం చేస్తావు నైట్? నైట్ ఏం చేస్తావు? బోర్ కొట్టట్లేదా నిద్ర పడుకోవడానికి? ఓకే, వాటర్. ఓకే, నేను చూస్తే నాకు నిద్ర వస్తుంది, అది నా ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, sometimes common anyway. Okay, so if you get a job, if you stuck in this area in your organization, right, you won't sleep 1 week. How to do this activity in the organization? 1 week no sleep if you're stuck in this area. Okay, Git challenges are not easy. By mistakenly, if you can check in ChatGPT don't know where you stuck, right? Simply it will give all comments. If you take and run one commit now, we don't know the commit what it does. Enter, maybe delete. So sensitive area, why? Always in organizations, escalations and 99% escalations will raise from this area only. Recently, 2 days back, we faced the same issue. We push, client forget to merge, again we push, existing changes gone. So production deployment completely down. 3 hours. What happened to understand 3 hours it took? Lot of escalations on us. After that, what happened exactly to understand each commit and all? 1 day took for us to understand what happened exactly. Issue is in the client issue, not our issue. Client simply pushed to us. It's your issue, your issue only, your issue only. And they are saying a lot of things. Our reputation is, because of you guys, our reputation is gone, something. So many words they are using. But later, simply they are saying, in IT, these are common. He said, next day. So this area, why I'm explaining developer one, paint, commit and all, for clarity. If I explain on the air, like guys, this is developer one, developer two, GitHub means, next day, I know. You may understand Git is very difficult, better to leave the Git. Yeah, I can agree. Definitely agree, Git is not easy. Like you understand, like what you are understanding it is easy, it's not 100% wrong. Please focus. Okay? Remaining tools are very easy. You can easily understand. But this is, concentration is very important for this tool. You need to be understand each and every, the step, how it is working. Okay? Yeah. You can understand in coming classes why my trainer is saying multiple times. No, you definitely stuck in, you are doing a practice, right? At that time, you can understand how difficult it is. You also practice like that only. Take it and 2 developers from the Google. Whatever developers are different colors and all, you can take it. But practice like that only. Okay. Okay. Now, my developer one is not up to date with remote, right or not? Let me give a count also. I'm also last bench student only. If my professor is saying something, I used to sleep and all. So he thrown some chalk piece, duster and all on me. Wake up like that only. Okay, it's common. It's a memories, okay? Don't take it like a wrong. It's a memories. Yeah. So first developer and the commit is missing. Right or not? Git remote repository is up to date with 2 commits. Developer 2 is up to date with 2 commits. So now, and which developer is up to date with GitHub? Developer 2. So no challenges now. But developer 1 and 1 commit is missing or not? Commit missing is means with respect to this commit, changes also miss or not here in the working directory. In this case, first when he run a git pull, this commit will be updated in his local repository with respect to file update into in working directory. Clear, right? Okay. Now, I forget to run git pull. Just understand. Creating a Windows file. If I check git log, my point of view, my local originate same place 27A6E. 27A6E. But remote is not now here. Remote already moved to E20. That developer one don't know. Every time we don't go and check on GitHub, right? But developer two done these changes. In this case, every time what I can run, better to run git pull always if you do any activities. When you run git pull, always up to date with remote. Clear? Every time you need to run git pull only. Every time means touch file again git pull not required. Before push, check and again push. Better. Clear na guys? Okay. Now git commit. Let me check git status. Git add git commit -m. So Windows file developer one. Am I able to push now? Am I able to push now? So if you are able to push means in your point of view, git log. If I take this, push means what? I'm saying to GitHub remote repository, add here. Right or not? So GitHub, it will reject. If you push means latest commit is always add on top of that, right? But your previous commit is not E20, right? Your previous commit is 27A. On top of the add already commit is there. By default, it won't add on top of that. Why? If it is allow, always your and this commit is miss. With respect to file is miss means you are not up to date with remote. If I allow your changes, production may fail. Same what happened recently, what I'm saying. Understand? In this case, git first what I need to do? Okay, let me run git push. GitHub will reject, sorry, your and git commit is not up to date. Right or not? So if you add git push means what is the meaning you can add on top of the my commit? Means this commit will be deleted automatically. That's what they are not allowing to push your changes into remote repository. In this case, what you need to do first? What you need to do first? Git pull. When you run a git pull, see now you can easily understand. Now in your local, this is the commit, right or not? On top of this commit only your local commit is here, right or not? This is local. When you run a git pull, this see, I am also confusing. Understand how difficult it is. I need to take this one. Control C. Local means I'm taking Linux developer local. That is wrong. Clear now? My local, this is old one, this is new one. Old one, new one. If you are able to push means this will be come here only remote, right? But not correct. Already one commit is there. Indirectly it will be deleted if they allow. So what they are saying, your end some commit is missing here. Understand or not? So when I run a git pull now guys, when I run a git pull, fast forward will work when there is no commit divergences are not there. But now commit divergences are there, commit differences are there. Git pull fast forward always add on top of that only here like this. But if it will be add like this on top of your commit, is it correct? This is new changes. On top of that, add old changes. Is there any meaning? It should be added to where? In between. I will tell you in different way also to understand this process. Our batch will start at 9 a.m. right? So now 09 a.m. 09 a.m. So after pull 001 a.m. Some time difference is there, you pull. Next, this is push local from the local created file 0915 a.m. and push here 0915 a.m. Right or not? Now without pull 0930 a.m. created one more file. Now 0915 a.m. should come between or not? If it will come, old changes 9:15 a.m. right? You are giving preference for old changes. New changes are second. Means always this is the recent one you are saying, but this is not recent one. This is old one. Before already someone already added. This is the recent one. Right or not? In this case, git pull fast forward will work or not? Git pull fast forward means what? Always add on top of the file. So when you run a git pull fast forward, it will throw an error again. See. Yeah. Git pull. No need to mention fast forward. If it will work, if there is no commit divergences are not there, automatically work fast forward only. But now see. Yeah. It is taking us into the merge page. This is merge page. Git pull fast forward I tried, but in your end, remote end, commit differences are there. So fast forward not work. Merge is required. Why merge is required? Why merge is required? This commit fast forward means on top of the your commit. Merge means what? In between. Clear now? Merge means in between. So I'm running git pull for what? Missing changes. Missing changes before commit means fast forward will work. Already committed my changes. So in your commit and old commit, this should be what happened? Okay. Clear now? Till here clear? When it will be happen? Once you confirm only here. Okay, I'm okay. W Q. See? Merging done. Now, if you can check git log, this is old one. This is new one. In between missing one is this one. Clear now? Take a screenshot from here. Now you can see. Clear or not? This is old one. This is merged one. This is new one. Clear or not? This is old one. This is recently created one. This is missing one. Due to git pull merge is done, right? Added one. Due to merge, one extra commit is added. Right? For history purpose. Clear right now? Now remote is end at where? Whatever commit you miss, right? That commit already pushed by other developer, right? At the time remote is there, this location only, right? E204. That's what remote still here only. When the remote will move to here? When the remote will move to here to here? Very good. If I run git push, still the changes are done local only, but it has to be reflected into remote means git push. Now up to date right now. Done. Clear? This is the process of merge. You may get a doubt. Git pull merge means I need to run git pull -- no rebase, right? Then only merge will work, right? But Windows OS, when you run a git pull, first it will try to fast forward. If it is not possible, means second priority is merge. Automatically it will take you. No need to run git pull -- no rebase. Even if you know commit divergences are there, you can run this command also directly. If you run this command also, it will take you into merge page only. Same page where the git is taking you into that. Clear now? Next, rebase. Same process, no difference. Extra commit is creating right now. That will not create. Clear? Clear? Let me show you. Let me show you. Little challenging but interesting concept. Yeah. Always. If you focus here, you are able to understand 25% only. If you not focus here, 100% blank. Why is this tool is this complicated? This is not complicated. Working with multiple people, even in your home, two brothers are there. Your father and mother challenges are there or not? Why complication in your home means two sons? That's what complications. Right or not? Same, two developers are working with same repository, always challenges are not. That's what. Technically also proved. Okay. Yeah. One son means no problem always. Right or not? No problem means no issues in your home. No wars. No fights. Same concept we can add here also. That's what branching concept. Branching means give your one room to your brother, other room to you. So both are not in same room, no wars. Branching also same. Give one branch to one developer, give other branch to other developer. Hey, work alone. Don't work in common repository, common branch. Challenges are facing. Okay, they're working separately. They can push, they can pull, forget pull, nothing will happen. To avoid these conflicts or branching concepts will work. Always in real time, not allowed to work multiple people in the same branch. Which branch we are working now? Main branch. By default branch. Clear? We'll see in the branching concepts how we can rectify this concept in a very easy way. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go to the next concept is rebase. Again, what I'm doing now guys, see. I'm going to remove repository for clarity purpose only. Again, rebase I'm going to show you, right? Existing commits, new commits you may confuse. Again, fresh commits I'm taking. So better clarity only. You also do same thing only first. Once you understand very well, then go for same repository you can do. Yeah. Let's go to now creating one more repository. Okay. I need to delete all later. Rebase. Okay. Rebase. Merge is clear, right? rebase. Let's go to git clone. I'm creating a new repository. I'm cloning through SSH. Here, no problem, right? Meanwhile, I'll clone into the Linux instance also. ls rm-rf, same report delete, git clone. Empty repositories both end, okay? And now, git, sorry, I'm adding a file again. Touch file one now. Git add, git commit, -m, file one. Okay. Now git, oh, sorry. Okay. Touch file, git add, git commit -m, file linux, git push. Problem will come or not? Token is set to different repository. Now this is different repository, right or not? Give up arrows. Here what I need to do? Simply rebase. Clear? Set your different repository. Git push. Done. Let's go and check now. Refresh here. One commit is there. Right or not? And next. ls. What I need to do first now? Switch to rebase. Git pull means that will come into here, so no problems. But without adding again, without pull again, I'm going to push something, right? So let's create a file. Touch file to Windows. Git log, if you can check, nothing is there my end. But already repository updated with a different commit. Huh? So git commit -m, git add, able to push or not? Hmm? Able to push or not? My developer, Windows developer, up to date or not with the remote? No. This case, fast forward will work. If I run git pull, fast forward won't work. Changes are different. So either merge or rebase. Even if you run git pull, it will take you into the merge page only. That will work merge. But I don't want to run merge now this time. I want to run rebase. What is the command? Git pull -rebase. -rebase. Successfully rebased. Now check the git log. How many commits? How many commits I can see in the git log? One is for your commit. One is for pull commit. Any extra commit will be created. If it is a merge, how many commits? 3 commits. Clear now? Only 2 commits. No extra commit. It's a linear process. It is not going to be create extra commits. Linear process. Git rebases. See, this is Linux, old one, whatever you miss. This is new one, whatever you created. And next is what? Git push. Clear the concept of rebase, merge. Even merge command also you can directly run. Git pull hyphen rebase Noah. This will take you into merge page only directly, or git pull also it will check. But in Linux, let me show you. Now clear, right? Both ends are clear, right? Now let me add one more file in the Windows end. Okay, third commit added or not? No. Third commit is added. Please focus now first. What I'm saying, focus now first. Later I will give the time 10 minutes to you completely to ask any questions. If you ask any question, your mind will be diverted here. Now third commit added or not? Yes. Third commit is added. What about Linux developer end? Still here only. Right or not? After that, I have added one file, now one more file. Let's go and check now. Linux developer end. ls git log. Only one commit. After that, Windows developer push 2 commits. What I need to do now? Git pull if I do, and later if you can commit, no problem. Before pull, if I commit, extra commit is adding into the local. That commit inside that whatever commits you miss, that need to be adjust. Then merge or rebase only, right or not? So let's, without running, I'm creating a file. Creating a file, no problem. Adding a file, no problem. But commit the file is problem. Git pull means what? Commit history also update, then file also update. First commit history will update. But to update a commit history, your old commit, new commit, between 2 commits are missing. The commits are merged in between. Clear? Perfect. Now I'm creating a file 3 Linux. Here now also no problem. Git add, git, now problem will come. Without pull, the recent commit history, your commit, your local. Git log. See, this is your commit history. But in the remote commit history, if you push means this commit will be go recent. This is old one, but between 2 commits you are missing. The 2 commits you can merge either using merge or rebase. Fast forward not work. In the Windows, guys, now, if you run git pull, first it will check what? Fast forward. So commit differences are there. Next it will take you directly into the merge page, right? See the Linux behavior. It won't take directly merge page like a Windows. Fast forward is not work means it will throw like this information only. Okay. Now these 3 commands you can use to do here. Same process. So how to, if you want to run a merge, which command you need to run? Git pull hyphen no hyphen rebase. You need to run this command for merge. Hyphen no rebase means merge only. Rebase means rebase. Git pull work means fast forward. So git pull already tried. Fast forward not working. Now we have 2 options, rebase or merge. See, after run this command only, it is taking you to this page. But in Windows, automatically taking a merge page even with your git pull also. Understand the difference? Even Windows also you can run the same command. Directly it will take you to the same page again. Yeah. So merged. Two commits are merged. Now you can check git log. Now how many commits I can see total? Total. Very good. 5. Clear? Total 5. See, I'm able to see 1, 2, 3, 4. Give enter. Fifth one also we can see. How to exit from here? End. 5 commits are done. Exit from here. You can give Q only. Q. Press Q to exit from the log. Clear now? Now see, whatever commits you are missing here, these 2 commits are missing. And this is the merging one. This is your new file one. Clear now? Let's run git push. I don't want to create extra commit. What I can do? Git pull hyphen rebase. You can run. That will work. Clear now? Yeah. So final touch file 100 I'm creating. See now. Git add git commit hyphen m updates git push. Again, here I need to run a git pull. Instead of that, I'm creating a one more file. Touch file 7 git add git commit hyphen m now if I try to git push, not possible. Now if you run git pull, first it will check fast forward. No, not possible. Commit differences are there. It will take you into merge page. Or here also you can run directly merge command. What? Git pull hyphen no rebase. It will take you the same page. Understand? But Windows by default it will take you even though if you run git pull command. But Linux it won't work like that. Clear the difference? Rebase is common. So this is git pull methods, guys. 3 methods. Rebase. Not easy, guys, to understand. Clear? You can check. See, very difficult to understand from other platforms this concept. You can try. You can understand. YouTube's, Udemy, try. Totally confusing. If you take any different references, videos and all, you may totally confuse. Rebase, same process. Extra commit is there, right? Merge commit, that will not create. Process is same. Extra commit is not create. But in general, real time, you are not running rebase. Why? History is there, right? Why merge commit is there? So history we can find. But rebase, no history will give. Even if you forget to run a git pull, also no history is there. That's what I'm saying, right? Which one is preferred? Again, you are asking. We prefer merge process only. Rebase also you can, but merge post process. If someone you can understand something is issue is there due to this commit ID only extra commit is created. So something is missed at the time. We can find out at least. Rebase no history. Directly it will update linearly. Which one? Prasanna Lakshmi, which command you are talking about? If you run Windows commands in Linux, it will work. Which Linux Windows command you are talking about? Rebase will work. All commands it will work. But Windows feature is if you run git pull, it will take you automatically merge base. That's it. No need to run git pull hyphen hyphen no rebase in Windows. But Linux, you should run 3 commands dedicatedly. Git pull means fast forward. Git pull hyphen hyphen no rebase means merge. Git pull hyphen hyphen rebase means rebase in Linux. Windows also same. No differences. If you practice now, you can easily understand remaining classes. If you not practice now, the remaining class, remaining challenge tomorrow I will explain. Same repository, same file, same line. Process is different. Conflicts will come. First we should overcome the conflicts, then push the changes. If you practice today concept only, tomorrow concept is interesting. If you not practice tomorrow, you are attending means you can see tomorrow. Okay. So today our work is on these 3 comments. I have shared in the group. Okay. Practice now. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.